Namaste and welcome to Dheemahi Ayurveda, your gateway to ancient wisdom for modern health. Today we will discuss about a topic that affects many women worldwide, PCOD or polycystic ovarian disease. Let's explore the Ayurvedic perspective of this disease. PCOD or polycystic ovarian disease is the most common metabolic abnormality seen in young women, especially of the reproductive age in the present era. It is also one of the leading causes for female infertility. It is caused due to hormonal imbalances that result in formation of multiple small cysts in the ovaries. These cysts can disrupt your menstrual cycle, leading to delayed or irregular periods or even absent in some cases. In Ayurveda, it is of two types. The first one is due to increased kapha dosha, which is caused due to overnourishment and sedentary lifestyle habits. Second one is caused due to the imbalance in Vata and Pitta doshas, which is caused mainly due to increased stress level and undernourishment. The first type or Kaphaja PCOD is known as obese PCOD and the Vata-Pittika type is known as lean PCOD. Let's see the symptoms of PCOD. PCOD doesn't just affect your periods. You may experience symptoms like unexplained weight gain, acne formation, excessive hair growth in unusual places, excessive hair fall and hair thinning. Emotional challenges like stress, anxiety and mood swings are also very common. Every woman's experience is unique, and Ayurveda sees these as interconnected signals of deeper imbalances. Kaphaja type of PCOD, as I mentioned earlier, is the result of unhealthy lifestyle and dietary factors. Overeating, having heavy or processed food, lack of exercise and other sedentary habits can increase the kapha dosha in the body and lead to accumulation of toxins known as ama. This in turn affects acne or digestive fire, making it sluggish, resulting in hormonal imbalances and irregular periods. Vata-Pittika type of PCOD is caused due to increased stress, reduced and irregular sleep habits, irregular meal habits, shifting your meal time even if you are hungry, and not listening to your body's natural needs. That is, not eating when you are hungry, not drinking when you are thirsty, and not sleeping when your body demands rest. Basically, by doing this, you are exerting too much on your body and mind. Managing PCOD in Ayurveda starts with correcting your lifestyle and habits. It's about fostering balance through a healthy dosha-specific diet, regular exercise, and a proper sleep. If you fall into the first category, that is the Kaphaja type, then having a regulated diet which helps in weight loss is very important. Substituting rice preparations with millets will be best for you. Reduce fat and oil consumption. Reduce milk and milk products except buttermilk. Reduce meat and include more veggies into your diet. If you are in the second category, that is Vata-Pittika type, then have more nourishing and timely meals. Your body needs more nutrients, but make sure your digestion is strong. If you have a weak appetite, first correct your acne. If acne is strong, then ghee and other healthy source of fat will be your friend. Milk and milk products will not harm you. Instead, they will help in keeping your Vata and Pitta under control. Regular physical activities. Walking and yoga are best for Vata-Pitta type, while for Kaphaja type, more vigorous exercises that will help in shedding out the extra fat is important. Stress relief practices like pranayama and meditation are of great importance. Establishing a consistent daily routine is a must. Sleep early and wake up early. Listen to your body and mind. This will help in resetting your biological clock. Ayurvedic treatments focus on detoxifying the body and restoring the dosha balance. Therapies like Panchakarma can be very beneficial in addressing the root cause. But remember, every treatment is personalized to suit your unique needs. In our next video, we will go more deeper into the treatments. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. At Dheemahi Ayurveda, we believe in empowering the women to reclaim their health naturally and holistically. If you are looking for guidance, visit us at dheemahiayur.com to begin your healing journey.